Hey guys, how's it going? All right, we got to talk about Bitcoin. Everyone's looking at this. We're seeing the crash this morning. All the profits yesterday, we're seeing it give up right now. And another thing is we actually headed down below the ascending support line. Could this actually start pushing the market down far? Was this a fat finger trade, guys? An accidental move back down? I'm not sure. Looking at the overall market, this is definitely impacting, DOT, it's impacting over here. Ethereum, we're going to look at this of how it's impacting. Look at Ethereum take a drop this morning, but it's rebounding really fast. Taking a look at the S&P 500 here, we'll get into the analysis here, but this has seen a pretty big drop this morning too. How low are we going to go? I want to talk about it in this video. Long trades are still increasing like crazy over here, so we'll be talking about that and looking at the market cap strength. So guys, let's dive into this. We're currently sitting at 122 wins and 0 losses. There's a reason why we're not losing trades. It's because of the good risk management, and even in markets moving down like this, we're not nervous. We get excited because we get more buy limits hit and we make more money. I'll show you guys how to do that in this video. All right, let's just state the obvious. The ascending channel right here is being broken right now. Where's the next spot we're going to look for a move back down? The next strongest structure support is over here, and let's take a circle out here, the rectangle right around this area. Guys, I feel like this morning this is a bear trap to the downside. This has all the precursors to get all retail traders freaked out right now to then blast this market back up. Okay, we've seen this before where it's like, oh my gosh, I thought we were going to head up here, and then it just blasts down real fast, and then it sees a huge market move back up. If we are going to move down, I'm looking for a structure about $35,000, basically, yeah, $35,000 for that to catch the support here and then move back up. Look at this, price to swell, money flow, trend exhaustion. I was just doing some video on this that I'll release to you guys a little bit later. But look at this, trend exhaustion when it got high yesterday. I was looking at this and I'm like, oh my gosh, let's take the price off for a second. When this gets in the top red section, this is where we have to be watching market moves back down. Well, money flow getting up here in this duration of basically a consolidation pattern, it got to the high section as well, looking for that drop back down. Use these indicators to predict these moves, guys. Seriously, when this gets in the top red section and well money flow is high, we need to be watching for market moves back down. We have to be doing this. If you guys got into some scalping trades and you guys got a little bit aggressive and you guys took the entry over here and, well money flow moving down a little bit here, 3 to 4%, you guys made your money. But look, seriously, if you guys are holding, look for the trend exhaustion in top red section to call those moves down before they happen. It's what we saw over here as well. And I'm talking a lot about this because I was doing prepping a video for you guys to show you how these work, but it's pretty insane when you guys see this in the market. So this is it's not even really unhealthy that this is happening. Let this thing drop back down, get people caught on the wrong side, let short trades take over, and then blast us up. Okay, those are in the description. Get those, snag them. They're awesome. I want to show this to you guys right now. Look at this over here for Bitcoin. The emotional index, yes, we're in the anxious section here, and we may dip down a little bit into the anxious and fearfulness. But this just updated 15 minutes ago, so this is raw, fresh data. Look how fast short trades are moving out. This is why I don't know if this was as intentional as people think. And here's a good way to gauge this. Watch how fast it rebounds back up to see if this may have been a mistake and people are following suit with this because Bitcoin and Ethereum are dropping, because some of these are down at like 9 to 10% right now. Not worried. Please hear my tone, guys. I'm not worried at all about this. I think this is actually more of a bear trap to the downside, and then we're probably going to be moving back up. Look at this. Long trades increasing this much over here with short trades decreasing. I bet you guys short trades this morning are confused. They're like, wait, hold up. We just took all of our short trades out of the market and it's going down. Something here is not matching up. Seriously, it's not matching up because the long trades are up here, and what I think's happening is long trades got into the market here. They're testing the long trades right now to see if they're going to sell, and what might have happened is people going long hit their stop losses and they're trying to drop it down a little bit here. But I'm thinking, guys, this is a bear trap to the downside, and this is going to reverse back up. So watch that in the next day or two. Look at this. Market cap strength. We're seeing the market cap, yes, it is moving out a little bit right here. So this means wells were buying this up and we're seeing a little bit of a drop. That makes sense that that's happening with drops down in the market. So that's relative. It's okay. We're not seeing a massive move back down. What we don't want to be seeing is price action do these higher highs up here and the market cap just drop down here like crazy. We don't want that because that's where the precursor drops come. But overall, we are healthy, and what we've been seeing is wells buying this on the dip here as price has been going down. So this is still a healthy pattern in Bitcoin for a continuation move back up. Okay, trades in favor. We're sitting in a good long trade. So long trades are going to be your favor today, guys. Look at this. This is kind of interesting. This happened. Yes, this called this morning. Wells institutions just slightly moved over into short trades this morning. That is kind of interesting because that literally came out It literally came out right before this drop over here for the well institutional smart money metric. They've been acquiring these longs over here, and they've been doing well here. But this is not that aggressive. Here's what I'm looking at, guys. I'm doing this analysis with you. This isn't that aggressive. This is aggressive over here. Like this purchase aggressiveness for shorts is dropping the market like crazy. This purchase aggressiveness for that duration is dropping the market. It's dropping the market here, and we see the market drop over here. This is aggressive. We're not seeing it that strong. So guys, I'm thinking this is probably, actually, you guys can see it over here. This is probably a bear trap to the downside, getting retail traders freaked out, and it's probably going to bounce back up here. Let's just watch that. But I'm seeing signs here. That's probably what we're seeing. Okay, let's come down here. Dollar cost average entries. You guys are doing great. Put money into the market. Your average entry price here is probably sitting right around here. So guys, dollar cost average entries are great. I think what you guys need to do is use the strategy. It's actually a little bit better than entries with dollar cost average. Okay, death cross. As we start moving up here, watch this metric. So when we hit the 200 moving average, that's when we're most likely going to hit that steel wall and start seeing it move back down. But that still has a lot of room to move up, and the 200 moving average is sitting actually up here. So this can easily start moving back up. Here's the biggest thing, guys. Watch for this to be a bear trap. Okay, the trade setup. Let me show you guys how to get into this trade setup, because seriously, this is a very good trade setup. You're going to have a hard time losing, and we've never lost a trade, and this is how we are doing it. Here's the secret sauce right here. With our metrics on every coin, you are going to see these buy limits, okay? Here's how you access it really quick so you guys can see this. The pricing. It's $95 a month. That's it, guys. All the well metrics you guys get access to, the Telegram channel entries and exits for everything I call, all the masterclasses, the community chat, the live Q&A session I'm going to do this month with you guys. You guys get it all. Awesome. So you guys can see that. That gives you access to all of our charts. Okay, come down to Bitcoin here and let's set this up. Right now, this is where we can see the price. Most likely what you guys did this morning, you guys probably got triggered into your first buy limit if you guys set this up right at 8 a.m. because we've been dropping since then, okay? You're going to choose the amount that you want to enter in with. Let's just say it's $1,000. Split it into 4 equal portions, so 250. Place the 250 at each of the 4 buy limit prices, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Once that first buy limit is hit, you're going to set a sell limit up in green. Guys, don't let, I need to stop this because I feel like I can hear people's voices out there, and not to be in a weird way, but people are like, this thing is just going to tank. It's just going to go all the way down. Guys, some days you need to leave the charts and go play golf. And you need to walk away. If your emotions are like, oh, we're just going to crash all the way back down here to $20,000 again. No, it's not going to happen, guys. This is just a temporary drop in the market, and this is most likely going to come down here, maybe to structure support, and then we're going to start heading back up, guys. Bitcoin is not going to just keep crashing forever, okay? It's not. We're going to see a reversal here. I've done this. I've traded since 2017. I've seen this happen so many times. I just want to give like a voice of hope in the market right now. I'm not going to doom and gloom this thing and be like, oh, Bitcoin's just going to drop all the way down. You know, Michael Saylor came out and they said they're going to get a margin call at 21,000. Guys, Bitcoin hit 21,000 is so unlikely. I personally think it's pretty unlikely that we'll even get down to structure support here before we start seeing a move back up. This market is due for a move back up, and this is going to be this may be the last flushing out of all the retail traders you're going to see right here to sell so the institutions can buy before this thing skyrockets. Excuse me. I've seen it happen so many times, okay? Once your first buy limit is hit, let's get back to this. Once your first buy limit is hit, set up a sell limit up here in green. Okay, follow me in the Telegram channel, guys. This is where I'm going to be calling exits with the indicators, all right? So Telegram channel, you guys will get access right here. With our membership, it'll unlock it for you. The master classes, the coaching that I do for you guys, if you want to look at that, I'm booked out for another about month or so just know that that's there, but it is available. And then the chat that you guys can all get on with the community and talk to traders about what they're doing. Testimonials over here. Take a look at what guys are doing. Thousands of dollars, every month, $5,000 within the last week. It's pretty insane what people are doing over here. And then make sure you guys are getting the indicators. Guys, the drop over here, I literally was watching this morning. I'm like, we're probably going to see a drop. I was calling this on the videos yesterday if you guys remember doing the analysis. I'm like, we're probably going to see a drop here. Descending resistance, guys, with trend exhaustion being high. Come on, that's like a perfect setup for a perfect storm for a drop. Let this market move down. Let it bear trap people because I'm looking for that move back up, okay? I'll watch this with you guys and keep you updated in the Telegram channel as well. So make sure you guys have the indicators, They're in the description. Just for May here, guys, they're 84% off. We'll run it in the future, that sale again, but it's going to go up at the end of May, and we purposely have them discounted because the market's low right now, so you guys can snag these and use them to your advantage, okay? The membership is there in the description as well. God bless you guys. I'm looking for the bear trap. I'm going to keep saying it again. I'm looking for the bear trap down and for this to recover back up here, okay? I love you guys. Everything you need is in the description. I'll see you later, and have a great day. Bye, guys.